What is up, everyone? Back with a video. It's been a hot minute. Uh, just been busy, but back with a rookie card explosion box by Filmington. Some of you guys may have seen this busted before. It's a pretty cool product put out by Filmington. It's basically, you're searching for rookie cards. That is the draw. So it's actually the first time I've ever been able to get one of these. They're highly sought after, and they usually have a couple spots open every month to get in their subscription. They have one-time purchases, but you got to catch them at the right time as well. You want to look at that and pause that or whatever, but volume 40 or April 2022 box. There's the packs it's going to have in it and the rookies to look for. So pretty cool. So we'll get this stuff out. Hope everyone's doing all right. Baseball season underway. My Braves not doing so hot so far. Just got Acuna back though, so hoping that puts a little life back, a little pep in their step. Won the first game he was back, so. All right, so for the packs, we have Fat Pack 2020 Topps Hobby. That's cool. Heritage 2022. 2014 Bowman Draft. 2015 Bowman Draft. 2018 Bowman. Ooh, this is a nice one. 2018 Update. And 2019 Minor League. So we'll do them in some order. All right. So actually, we'll do the Heritage first. All right, let's see. Looking for the Wander Franco, if you will. Jimenez. Josh Lowe, rookie. Matt Olson. Just I'm sure everybody knows. Freddie Freeman, no longer Brave. Breaks my heart. We got Matt Olson in his place. Probably couldn't ask for a better Lewis Gill. Probably couldn't ask for a better replacement, but it hurt really hurt to lose Freddie. I feel like he was the heart and soul of the Braves team, winning that championship and whatnot. It's unfortunate. All right, 2018 minor league run leaders got Bo Bichette on there. It's a nice one. Oh, there you go. Julio Rodriguez. It's a nice one. Kiroff. Nice one. Dustin May. That's a good one. Tyler Trammell. Nothing overly exciting there, but all right, we'll do the 2014 next. Let's see, 2014, looking for Devers, Jimenez, Turner, Bryant, Chapman. We got quite a few rookies in here. Bobby Brantley, Yarbrough. Braves. Chad Sabaka first. Haven't been good about 5 years ago. Carlos Correa, prospect card. That's pretty cool. And nada. So, what's that saying? Can't win them all, right? All right, 2015 draft. So if you're interested in these, they're I think about $87, $88 for if you get the subscription per month. Oh, these are hard to read. Mikey White first. Oh, look at there. Austin Riley first. Nice. Definitely going in the PC there. That is nice. on my Braves. Greg Pickett first. And nothing else to write about but that Austin Riley. Very, very, very nice. Too bad it's not the chrome, but I already own the chrome. I don't think I own the paper. So all right, so let's do this 2020. All right, 2020. You're looking for Rosarina, Bichette, Lewis Roberts. All right, let's see what we got. Cunha, there you go. PC for me there. Let's see, Souza Jr. I'll call out any stars, but so far, and Mike Trout, Justin Upton, getting at it together. Heard they were good friends, but Upton, they cut Upton. Ooh, there you go, Mike Trout. Verlander, Bryce Harper, All-Star. Kenley Jansen. It's kind of funny. We Dodgers took Freddie from us, and we took Jansen from the Dodgers. So a little trade there back. Cringer Jr. Ooh, I see a gold card, I think. Scherzer. King rookie. Oh, there we go. Yordan Alvarez rookie. It's a nice one. Rookie debut, but still nice. Aaron Judge. Doesn't look like he's going to be a Yankee after this year. Iglesias. That looks like that could be a short print. 88. Sorry, guys. Nope. Never mind. Oh, look at that. Look at there. Look at there. Buster Posey, game used, 2017 All-Star. So I assume that's from the All-Star game, so that's awesome. You received an All-Star Stitches card. Buster Posey just retired. You know, it's not bad. Not a bad little hit there. There you go. It was just a foil, not gold. Saw the corner there. Marte, Doc Gooden, and Josh Jung. Okay, all right. 2 packs left. Go with the Bowman. See if we can get Conforto. Nicky DeMonico, rookie. Michael Mercado, first. Harrison Bader, rookie. That's not bad. First of, I'm not even going to try to butcher that name, but, well, there you go. And the big rookies in that one. All right, comes down to this. Can it save the box? Yeah, got some decent rookies, but, you know, Cunha, Soto, Tawny. I really love a Tawny right now. See what we can get. Didi, Sano. Oh, Chipper. There you go. That's nice. A little PC for me again there. Man. Tyler O'Neill, rookie. That's a nice one. You know, not great, but not one of the top ones we were looking for, but he's starting to put together a pretty good season, so. All right, y'all. Well, I appreciate it. I plan to do another video very shortly, so look for that. You know, hey, please subscribe, like. I appreciate it. Till next time, peace.